Ashmi Guleria. I was a summer intern at Adobe, and I was also an ex-intern at DRDO. So I'm in my final year right now, and today we'll be talking about Copilot and how it helps in streamlining your code and your process of coding. So let's start with the agenda first. First of all, that we'll be covering the introduction and why Copilot Studio. Next, we'll be talking about its key feature and how Copilot Studio helps in enhancing the productivity, the impact it has on the code, and we'll be talking about how it contributes in collaboration and knowledge sharing. We'll be also discussing some of the real world examples that where the Copilot Studio is helpful. We'll be looking at a comparison between the traditional IDs and the Copilot Studio. And lastly, we'll be talking about what all there is in store for us, what else the future holds for the Copilot. So, first of all, for those who do not know what Copilot Studio is, it's an AI driven tool for developers. It is an end to end conversational AI platform that helps you empower, create agents using natural language or graphical interface. With Copilot Studio, you can easily design, test, and publish agents that suit your need, be it for internal or external scenarios, depending upon your industry, department, or role. It has actually evolved from GitHub Copilot, and the aim, as I said before, is to simplify the coding and boost the productivity. So this will help the developer to enhance the efficiency of the coding and streamlining the process of development. It also supports multiple programming languages, which is another benefit. And this tool is actually scalable across multiple projects, and it can help in streamlining the process and managing the high scale projects. So before we discuss about how do we Copilot works or what all features are there, we should first talk about what why do we need Copilot Studio. Basically, developers face a lot of challenges as project development, project management is a complex task. So Copilot can actually help in all these tasks like handling large code bases, in debugging and testing, because debugging and testing is a very, very important stage of the whole development process, and that should be undertaken seriously and with utmost care. However, with its importance, it is also a very tedious and very time consuming task. So here Copilot enters, and again there are the technologies are changing, the tools are changing every day, there's a new update. So that is why these are some of the challenges that developers face. So Copilot Studio help in basically it provides you the AI powered suggestions, tailoring as per your needs. It automates the repetitive tasks, so it makes the process less time consuming and makes it more efficient for you. Apart from that, it basically works for the real time problem solving. So basically, it would not be just about going on and on with the same procedure. Rather than you will actually be able to get real time suggestions and real time inputs about your project and the quality of your code. So we'll be first discussing about some of the key features of the Copilot Studio. As said before, AI-powered code suggestions is its first and the most important feature. Basically, it will enhance the code efficiency by providing you intelligent code completions and suggestions, tailoring it as per your project needs or your language. Then it will automate testing and debugging, as it will generate unit tests automatically, help in detecting bugs, fixing those problems, suggesting fixes to that. Then data analysis is something that is offered by these built-in tools for analyzing the code performance and tracking the key metrics, which helps in optimization and decision making. Then code documentation and comments is very important, as the documentation is the heart of the project. It helps in assisting and writing and maintaining the documentation with inline comments and ensuring that the code is well explained, because having a proper and a neat documentation is very important for the scalability of the project. Then it will also help in streamlining the repetitive task, which helps in the workflow automation. It will automate the workflows by, like, for example, the deployment, the continuous integration and monitoring. So it will obviously reduce the human effort, and which will also minimize the scope of error by the human. Next would be API creation and management. Now, this simplifies the process of building and documenting these APIs, managing these APIs, and allows like a seamless and an easy integration by when we are deploying it across the projects. So we also talked about that Copilot Studio is very important in enhancing the productivity of the project. Well, first of all, because it reduces the boilerplate coding, since it provides like the real-time suggestions and corrections as you type. So you will have an instant feedback, which will reduce the chance of your error, and will also reduce the time in when you are decoding or debugging the project. Apart from that, it will also help you in writing faster codes, because you will have the suggestions, and then the developer can write the code more efficiently, and uh, there are times when you might not be required to write in the entire code block, as the Copilot Studio would directly complete it for you. So apart from that, it helps the developers to focus on problem solving rather than discussing the standard code structures. Now, it also speeds up the debugging process, as said before, as it will provide you instant fixes, and it will actually reduce the chance for error itself. But even if some error occur, so it will be able to highlight where the error is, so that the developer does not spend a lot of time in actually finding the error or locating the error, and it will also reduce the overall timeline for the project. Uh, so apart from that, I think next we'll be talking about the impact that Copilot Studio has. So we all talked about the features that were there in the Copilot, and why do we need Copilot. But the important part is that how it is actually helping us, how it is helping the developer, and why should the developer be actually using this in their project. So first of all, it will help you to write cleaner and more consistent code. See, code quality is very, very important from the developer point of view, as it will make the project more scalable. It will make the project more readable for the new developers to come in. So yeah, so right, it will help you in writing clean and consistent code. As said before, it will also help in the bug detection. Now it offers some of the built-in test practices, some of the best practices that that are recommended by the industry. That might be about the naming, or about initializing some variables, etc. So that is something that Copilot would automatically help you with. Then unit test generation is definitely a complex task, so Copilot will help you there as well by automatically generating some of the text. Then you will get the code review suggestions, which will improve the quality of your code and make sure that your code is clean and consistent. All of this will definitely optimize the performance, as the quality of your code will also affect the performance of your project and the of your source code. So this will optimize the performance, and it will also refactor the assistance part. So we'll be talking about so we'll be talking about collaboration and knowledge sharing. So how multiple people can come together, and how Copilot can help in that. So first of all is syncing the coding styles across the team. So it basically ensures that the consistency is there in the coding style for all the members that are in the team, by aligning all the developers to like some common formatting and styling guidelines, so that it is easier to integrate the code, to maintain the code, and see it collaboratively. It will also reduce the learning curve for new developers, as coding is something that has a high learning curve. It is something that takes time. It is an approach that you build with time, and it takes a longer duration of period. However, by providing real time assistance and coding suggestions, new people in the team can quickly adapt to the project requirement, the project styles, and the coding requirements of the team, and code as per the team standards. So this will ease the onboarding process for the newer developers or the newer people who are welcomed in the team. Then you have a paired programming with AI, which means that you basically get a feel that you have a coding partner with you, because it facilitates a virtually AI powered pair programming experience, where developers can collaborate with AI in real time. So it will stimulate the presence of a coding partner, that somebody is actually coding with you and helping you out. And it is generally said that you work together, when you work together, and so you work better as somebody is guiding you. So it's somewhere like that. Then, as we were talking before about that, some of the best practices of the industries are actually suggested in this, as it provides pre-configured templates based on industry best practices, and helping the teams to follow an optimal pattern for different type of projects, and it will improve the overall quality of the code, which is very important, keeping in mind the integration and the maintenance of the code. Next up is mentorship and peer reviews. Now, it supports mentorship through AI-driven code review tools that basically allows and suggests improvements, allowing the senior developers to focus on guiding the newer members rather than manually reviewing every piece of their code and checking it. They would actually be able to have fruitful discussions about what is the actual logic behind the code than just sitting on and finding every error manually one by one. Then lastly, it was integrated communication. So as we were talking about the integration and the interaction between the team members, so it allows the seamless interaction between the team members through built-in, it has built-in messaging, commenting features, ensuring clear communication during the development process, which will ultimately reduce the delays that is caused by misunderstanding, as the inline comments or the comments that are the commenting feature, which actually ensure that one developer is able to understand what another developer has done and is able to match their style. So that is something that the Copilot allows. Now, as we were discussing in the agenda, we will be talking about some of its use cases in the real world development. So you can see some of these are there in front of you directly. Now, teams are, as I said before, teams use Copilot for quicker releases because it the process of delaying and the all of the things that can actually lead to a delay, all of them are reduced here. So definitely, Copilot Studio helps in quicker release cycles. Then it helps in rapid prototyping, as your most of your time that is actually invested in debugging and writing the code and the boiler code, etc. That time can actually be invested in directly prototyping. And then legacy of the code maintenance, because code maintenance is very important, keeping in mind the point of view of the integration and multiple departments and teams working together. Then AI driven analytics is something that the Copilot provides, that is the suggestion it provides. Then it allows cross-platform development. It also takes care of the security, because security and the data privacy is something that is very important, especially when a project is into building. So security enhancement is something that Copilot already take care of. And project documentation, project as it will help in documenting the project, writing all the important material about it, the important instructions, etc. So Copilot can be very handy in actually documenting about a project. So next up, we will be seeing a comparison between the Copilot Studio and the traditional IDs. So traditional ID somewhere, we have to mention the boiler code where you do not get these suggestions. So basically, it is more of a manual and a tedious work as compared to the Copilot Studio. Like Copilot Studio has completely reversed this case, as it provides the AI assistance, whereas in the traditional IDs you are going on writing the code manually. Now it will also seamlessly integrate it with GitHub when you want to deploy your project and get a page or etc. Whereas this is something that does not happen with the traditional ID, where you have to follow multiple steps for the deployment of your project. Now cloud based with instant access and consistency is there, as compared with the local installation of traditional IDs. So obviously you have to locally install the traditional IDs depending upon your system and its requirement and dependencies. Whereas Copilot Studio is very easier to use, easier to set up, and that is something that you can, because it allows cross platform access and multiple users can use it. So that is how it's better than traditional ID in that scenario. Then it also is resource scalable as per your project needs, and it is accessible anywhere, and which means that you can access it as long as you have internet, so which might not be possible with your traditional IDE. So that is like Copilot Studio has changed the game of the building and writing of code. So that is why Copilot Studio has an upper hand as compared to the traditional ones. Lastly, we'll be talking about the future of the Copilot Studio. Now, definitely, with the revolution in the AI industry, Copilot coming up by Microsoft and OpenAI, there are a lot of features that are there, and there is scope for a lot of improvement as well. Like we can have more automation capabilities. As right now, we do get a number of features like the suggestions, the debugging, etc. However, there is definitely scope for more, and the enhanced AI will be helping in complex problem solving. Then apart from that, the role of AI is getting more and more integrated in the software development part. Now AI is actually being integrated in every step of the software development cycle. So that is something that we can expect in future. as well as we can improve the advanced debugging and the issue resolution, because AI driven bug detection would definitely decrease the delays in the project. It will decrease the manual labor in the project, and it will make it easier for the developer to actually focus on what is important, that is the logic of the problem solving, instead of actually just finding the errors, which might be typos, which might be missing of some variable, etc. So instead of that, the developer can actually focus on the important part rather than just debugging the project, which actually takes a significant amount of time. So with in future, we expect that this debugging level can actually be increased more and more, and we can have AI driven bug detection. So I think we have covered a lot of it, and I would like to conclude it like by saying that Copilot Studio is a tool, an AI tool that will help you in a platform actually that will help you, to improve your productivity and the code quality of your code. It is very important for the developers at present to use this, so that they can have faster growth and actually work together in teamwork that will improve the integration of the project and maintenance of the code. It will also increase the flexibility in terms of devices and the hardware used, and it will definitely reduce a lot of manual work and help to automate these tedious processes, so that the quality of code is something that we can focus on, that rather than the time spent in building it. And it will make it easier for us to handle larger code bases and make the entire process of coding and building projects easier for us. So thank you so much, everybody. That was it. We hope that you like this. Thanks a lot.